Hello, good morning. So today is the first day of the week as well as the first day of the month. July month has begun and I am here to do a collective reading. So if the energy resonates, continue watching. First, we will take a look at the type of energies we are going to experience in the month of July, followed by understanding the message the cards are giving us. It just struck me that 6 months of 2024 have already passed, and now we are only 6 months away to the new year 2025. And mind you, these 6 months are going to be intense, looking at the planetary positions as well. Now it is time to pick a card and take a look of what is in store for all of us. Death. Okay, I have a lot to say, so sit back and relax. But before I begin talking, let me tell you that the word death here does not literally mean death. It instead indicates the process of regeneration. Something old is going to get out of your life and make space for something new. So a new life process is going to begin. But for that, something has to go. Something is already fizzling out. Something is already dying down. And you know that it is time to part ways. What a perfect timing for this card to pop up right now in this reading when a new month is beginning, when a new 6 monthly cycle is beginning. So it is time for you to reflect back. Look back at all the past 6 months of the year 2024. Identify your mistakes. Identify the situations and people that were pulling you back, stopping your growth and not letting you go forward. The color black here is governed by the planet Saturn. 2024 is the year of Saturn as well as yesterday, that is on the 30th of June 2024. Saturn has turned retrograde in Aquarius zodiac sign and is going to remain retrograde until the 15th of November 2024. So ideally, for the next 5 months, we all are going to be under the influence of Saturn. And Saturn is a very, very strict teacher. Saturn wants you to learn from your mistakes. And that is exactly what this card also indicates here. So now it is time for you to head back to your past. All your past deeds, your past karma will start showing up starting from the month of July. So it is time for you to get the results of all the seeds that you have sown in the past 6 months. You will have to reassess, reanalyze, rectify your mistakes, finish all your pending tasks. Otherwise, you will get a beating from the planet Saturn. And as I said, Saturn is a very strict teacher. So you may face delays, obstacles, hindrances in whatever it is that you are trying to do. You might feel frustrated and you might feel like giving up, but you will have to keep going. Otherwise, these past mistakes or these past lessons will keep repeating until you learn them. And as I said, that something is going to die down. Something or someone may leave your life and you will have to part ways. It could either be a cherished relationship, a job, or some form of material possession. But you have to understand that although you were attached, it wasn't meant for you. Or you are yet to learn your lesson. Or you are yet to prove that you are deserving enough to get what you desire. Let me pick up one more card for a bit more clarity so that I can decode the message further for all of you. And we can understand what is it that we can expect in the month of July as well as for the next 6 months. Growth. And how accurate can this be? As I said, that when something goes out of your life, something new definitely is about to enter in your life. I think with this card, the message is very clear that you are undergoing a process of growth, which may seem challenging. It is a period where you are being tested, where you are being polished, and you are being made capable so that you get what you deserve, you get what you desire. It is simply a cleansing process. For example, if you want to grow a plant, you will have to make sure that the soil is clean and you will have to get rid of all the impurities so that your plant can grow well. Even the plant has to go through various climatic changes various challenges so that it blooms. Even while the plant is growing, you will have to constantly keep checking for parts that are going to decay the plant so that you can chop them off timely. And that is exactly the point that you are currently in your life, where all those parts of your life that are holding you back need to be chopped off. So, to summarize, you are going to face challenges. The period is certainly difficult, but do not run away from your problems. Face them head on. Do not keep any tasks unfinished or pending, because whatever is left undone, whatever does not get a closure, will keep resurfacing until you finish it. You will have to learn your lesson, and then be assured that you are going to be on your journey towards growth. Something good is definitely awaiting you. But these 6 months are going to decide either you will make it or break it. I hope this reading helps you and it acts as a guide for you for the month of July as well as for the upcoming 6 months of the year 2024. Faith. Have faith. I'm telling you, something good is going to happen. All you need to do is work on yourself, work on everything that needs your attention, and have faith. I wish you all a wonderful time ahead. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye.